Hello. A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it. Joe IPA. Oh my God, it's Eric.
Greetings.
So, Eric has been here for a couple hours. We have figured this thing out. And we think we got it pretty much squared away to chooch. It cranks. So now we need to extra chooch it. We got to add 12 volts to a bunch of other wires. And then we're going to be fucking mint, gravy, titty fucking gold on this shit. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. In the first part of the beginning of the video, also Joe's here.
More chooch.
More chooch. So Eric's making demands now. He says he wants fuel and stuff. So we're having we're having Joe get under there and put the jack stands under so we don't die. And then we're gonna lower the car down on that. And then we're gonna try and get the fuel lines hooked up, which should be interesting because I didn't take them off. With this wire, I hold the key to starting this whole thing. This one. So we got some of it wired up and we are getting ready to see if it sputters at all. Eric is convinced that it won't run for shit because we don't have the mass airflow sensor. He's probably right, but I am being optimistic in thinking that it will, I don't know, jump to life. He says no. Not at all. It's gonna fucking just rip right off the bat.
Dance it over.
So, once we get this all hooked up, which is not very much, and then we're gonna hot wire the fuel pump because we could not figure out how the JZX90 wiring harness triggers the fuel pump on here. It's something to do with the old ECU and pretty shitty, but so we're gonna hot wire that and then I'm gonna start this thing and it's gonna run amazing. All right, so we got it to kind of fire, but Joe's gonna hold it while we film here. All right, go ahead and I'm gonna aim this power steering line down. So Joe, go ahead and try and fire it there. You ready, Eric?
Yeah.
Hold on, Joe.
Okay, we got two problems going on. The battery is like dead.
The battery is dead.
And you blowing through that is not going to get the right amount.
Well, that's what I did to start it. So. All right, hold on. Just see if it'll fucking. I'm gonna burp the throttle a little bit and give it another shot there. All right. It's pretty dead, but you get the point. It runs. I got shit in my mouth now. So that's going to end today's video. The 2J runs and spits power steering fluid everywhere. And Eric did a great job. We're going to finish butting this thing up legit the next time. Make sure to stay tuned. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.
Next time I see you, I'll make sure you see me leave. Next time I'll make so nice. Oh, now you see me different.